All right, what's up, YouTube? We're back. Many of you may know me as Philip's POV, but if you are a newer subscriber, you will know me as Philip from Defyde Garage now. So today this video is going to be more informational. We're not going to be doing anything to any of the cars. As you guys can see, just parked up next to my car here in my apartment's parking lot. Thought this would be a nice place to do this video. No cars around, not a busy street. I mean, there's a few cars. I won't show you guys the background because then you'll know where I live, and I don't really want that. What this video is basically about is I want to tell you guys about the rebrand of my channel. So the reason that we're kind of rebranding to Defyde Garage is because most of the time I'm incorporating more people into the videos as opposed to just myself. So at this point, is it really just my POV, or is it the POV of everyone who helps work on the projects around the cars? That's basically going to be it for this video. We're not really going to be talking about much. It's just a little refresh for you guys. So some of you guys who knew me from Philip's POV, now you can see that from now on I'm going to be Philip from Defyde Garage. It's going to be a bit more me and other people, new faces on the channel, just kind of showing you guys more stuff about cars. The videos are going to continue to remain primarily the same. I'm going to be rebuilding cars, doing modifications, sometimes doing tutorials on how to do specific things on vehicles that I have. Just kind of depends on what projects come my way and what I can show you guys on the channel. That's pretty much going to be it. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I know it was a really short one, but I do have a new car that I purchased recently. You guys will see that video. It is recorded. It'll hopefully be coming out a few days after this one, so stay tuned for that. Not sure how many videos I'll have with that car, but you guys will see. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. And if you want to see more of this kind of content and the content that I've had previously, make sure to subscribe, comment if you have any ideas for anything that you guys want to see, and make sure to like and comment on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.